Chalk and Chalk. I'm a Chalk Couture designer. How are you all doing today? I'm only going to be on for a couple of minutes today, just showing you what came in the mail. So, what I want to show you first is this big guy. He's actually not that big when you put it together, but he's a big transfer as of right now. It is a snow globe. I can't wait to get to do this one. Hey, Carolyn. I want to have fun with this one. Then we have, so that's our biggest guy. Now I guess I'll go with our smallest. And it's just our size A, Bless This Mess. Hey everybody, how are you doing today? Then I have these minis that we can put on coasters. Hey Ryan. Again, this is the last day for these sales, so if you want any of the last chance or sale items, go get them now. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. I've been wanting this transfer forever. And I finally got it. I'm doing well, hon. Then we have I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day. This would be a nice one to do up, and you can put it up on your wall. Or a nice gift to do for somebody else. I hope everybody is doing good. When I go through these, let me know which one you think that we should do next. Always follow your heart. Today I'm calling it No Makeup Monday. And then we have, we only have one more left, and that's our Club Couture project. And I haven't even opened him yet. So, let's see what's in here. Could be a thing, yeah. Yeah, that one's cute. That one's been one I've been trying to get, but keep forgetting to grab. And then this is our welcome. Hey everybody, say hi when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay. So I'm going to go through them again, just because I see some new people have jumped on. So we have the globe. He looks like a big transfer, but it's a lot of overlapping. So that's going to be a smaller one. Then we have Always Follow Your Heart. The minis. Dive into Sunshine Minis. Who can't wait for the sunshine to come back? When life gives you lemonade, or when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Or make something sweet. I can't read. And then we have I heard the bells on Christmas Day. Yeah, so we can make that a whole different way, right? Because you cut them apart and you put them together different. So we will do that as well. Let me know which one's your favorite and which one you want to do next. And we'll start doing them tomorrow. Unfortunately, I have to run early today, so I can't do any chalking today. Oh, I hope it comes back very soon. It's supposed to rain for the next couple of days, I think. It's raining right now, and it's supposed to rain at least all day today. We could do that one tomorrow. Everybody else? Or I could even come on later tonight. I just don't know what time I'll be home. I have to do a whole bunch of deliveries for some other stuff. Hey everybody! Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. Like and follow the business page. Let me know where you're coming in from. I haven't actually even shared this out. How's everybody doing? Make sure to go to my business page and then go to the website and check out all of the specials and the last chance stuff that ends tonight. And we do have some boards that are on sale as well, so that'll help you out. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. That's the thing. I just don't know what time I'll be home. I'm leaving here about 4:30, so it'd be at least, I want to say 7. We might be able to get back by 7, my time. If I was to do it and I got back here after, well, actually, if I got here any later than 7, I probably won't be able to go live. But if I go live at 7, would everybody be here? Or anybody be here? It's really raining out. I don't want to go out, but I have to. Okay, so if I can make it back by 7, my time, I will come live. If I can't, I will come live tomorrow at 1. And I'll stay live as long as you guys want. Sound like a plan? Would starting at 1 tomorrow work if I can't come live at 7 tonight? Or when would be best for you tomorrow if I can't do it tonight? If you're on the replay, let me know what your timing's like as well. I'd love to be able to accommodate everybody that pops on my lives that would like to see me live. Then we can actually talk and you can ask questions live. Hey everybody. How are you doing? Oh, you're off tomorrow. That'll be great then. Okay, so if I'm not live at 7 tonight, I'll be live at 1 tomorrow. Alright? I'll see you guys tomorrow or tonight. We'll see. Bye, guys.